Day 3 of putting white out on this paper until it gets super thick. Yippee-yay! Go, go, go. Extra strokes of white outlaw. Shout out to this person today. 6 point to Stead. Finally done. Stay for day 4.